moko. Aparo no Owino walusan na gino mabende wangano wacho, mabende koro omieno godo wach kahiga ne gi jotelo mamoko, ni winjo kanyo manego bed ni ok chopo bondo, kien wasigu to koro en bende en wasikwa e kind mamoko Owino.
I was thinking of something else.
Mana kamano kotenre kod aduoka mopogore opogore mabende koro kahiga osebedo ka yuda hinya wacha kan nagi jakom mano mar duond bura mano mar ODM odiochieng' manyoro nwawinjo kanyo ka jalup jatend duond bura mar DCP Cleophas Malala bende noseo Gladys Wanga kaluwore kod aduoka mabende noduoko godo kahiga mabende omieno godo Rigathi Gachagua e kind mamoko.
Malala en jawuoyo mar nyocha en jawuoyo mar party mar DCP and then get right mar defending boss ne ma en Rigathi Gachagua. Though Gladys bende ne ingeni sometimes kiwuoyo about ng'ato too much then you make him a celebrity. The best thing en assume ng'ato. I don't think ni Rigathi Gachagua ripobede dhowa throughout. Nyakwa bed a completely different trajectory. Ngamanyo wuoyo nyo en kahiga. So whether Rigathi Gachagua no or not, that is not our problem. And therefore, we don't even need to answer such. Nyogi say make a statement, that is enough, we move forward. One kakajo luo, what we should now be focusing on is how can we unite as one Luo. Kapuko way about Kenya. We start with ourselves. Leaders come and go. Life is not permanent. You are born and you live. We thank God for the number of years He gave Raila. It was not in our dream that we would lose Baba at this particular time. It's unfortunate he's gone. But number one, the most important thing, any Luo must think, how do you unite? Because Karana Baba no. Nebed no onge giji etoke. No matter how strong he was, he would have not gone far. Omeo wadwaro mondo gima everybody should preach is how do we unite? Injo ka jowacho ni ODM will die. Yes, Baba was the pillar mar ODM. And Angeo, I have to say this very clearly. Elections manewatimo last 2022. Elected members of parliament maluo, no former club. Manegi agree, ni they will make sure ni all of them will ticket mar ODM, no matter the cost. Only 2 MPs manoko duogo. Manen badi manoko chung e kome mar MP, wach nodwaro governor, to kod MP makisumu Central. Me wacho ni no show disrespect somewhere. I don't know where. Only those 2. But the rest came back. So the only thing which can make the party hold any going forward, whether hero ngato or oki hero ngato, you undertake what we call a free and fair nomination. To party you make a mistake, nigidok back to that club, give form a free and fair nomination. Then what will happen? The people will go with other parties and they will win. Because Ogai Magayoji is not there. Tokmano Kegim Wadwar. Wadorimondo, Wadhi, if possible, a united community. Yakwanya bete table, because election Masani Okinyal win Kendi. Okinya bete government Kendi. Mano minjo kaji mangenyi wuoyo kaji wachoni. Kamanyocha Baba Wewani, for the time being, what Baba Beno actually up to 2027. Because for 2027, wanyalo relook at ourselves as a community and say which way is good for us. But for now, we are in government and Kanye Manowewa. But I want to mention something also out of what you've asked me. I mean, you can't sana way about Sifuna and Babu. Kijendego are not wrong in what they are doing. Why am I saying so? They are serving their personal interests. Ginjoma Bede elected in Nairobi. Nairobi, #1 community in Okuyu. #2 in population, Mar voters and Mukamba. Number 3 en Baloya. Wan number D.
Ang'wen.
Gima konyowa Nairobi en ka wan strategic to push jowago. We decide what we kata mana 3 or 4 constituencies. To push jowa to those 3 or 4 constituencies. So any moment Mam Kamba Kikuyu or unite, then Sifuna feels no konya yudo. It's not that Sifuna was against ODM working with government, but Sifuna is fighting for his own interest monobed re-elected. So kinino ka Sifuna goyo ODM vis-a-vis joining Ruto, it's not because in a principle more hold. It is because the voting pattern Nairobi co support Ruto may not afford him that position back. And Ongeo niko dhiko rigi Bukusu bendo onge gi kura. So we shouldn't even bother. But the position is simple. In any meeting, the majority wants, if the majority of the party executive dwaro ni mondo giti gi the sitting government to inoki dwar, the best thing, the most noble thing is to resign. But enobro dwaro ni mondo oriembe mondo whip emotions ni jo ODM otimenadi oriembe. I would even ask your ODM also to assume him. Just assume him until 2027. We can have another person to speak for ODM on the things they want. He can still sit there and is assumed. So Gimate Mowacho any, we must calculate properly. Baba, so we are not going to kill his name. Ingeyo ni none of us manone no Yesu. None of us manone no Muhammad. To nyingi gi ogedo kendo Jumapil ka Jumapil kata tich abich jo Islam dhi. Wabende kaka Luo, the role Baba has played is so big. Baba's spirit remains living forever. Even me, I disagreed with him severally on many issues. Kwa insist ni, let us work with government because government emanigi chiemo. Watigi government, wa develop thurwa, kocho posa elections to make decision. Ni wadhikure as a community. To kwa make a mistake, nyargogni. Mu wacho ni unu jo Migori un kendu. Kia jo Homa Bay ni kendigi. Kia jo Kisumu ni kendigi. That is the thing maji dwaro. So, gimoroma every leader dwaro no bed kingpin. Kingpin oken gimi yudo e barabara migo e kura. Kingpin en kaka ibro face the situation. Luok bibedo gi kingpin even for another 50 years. Maybe jogi.